Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a bowl of fruit. Fruit comes in all sorts of sizes and colours, but most fruits are a round shape. Let's start by drawing a round apple. We're going to use a circle for this, so draw one line that goes all the way around. At the top, just inside your circle, you're going to draw a very skinny upside down triangle with three sides. It goes up, across the top and back down to that point. Let's try it with a pencil. Up, across just a tiny bit and back down to the point. That's the stem of the apple. That's where the apple was joined to the tree. And to make it look even more like an apple, we're going to draw a leaf, which starts in the same place as the stem, but instead of drawing a triangle, you're going to draw a teardrop, which is like an oval with a pointy end. It goes up and over and round and back to that point. Try that with your pencil. Up and round and back to that point like that. Now apples can be red or they can be green, some of them are a bit yellowy, some of them have got lots of colours on them. Stop the video if you want to colour in your fruit, otherwise you can colour them all in later. Next we're going to draw an orange. Oranges are often a little bit bigger than apples, but they're the same shape. So let's draw another circle, one line that goes all the way around, a bit bigger than the apple. If you look really carefully at an orange, or a lemon, or a grapefruit, or a lime, or any kind of citrus fruit, you'll see tiny little dots all over its skin. So you can draw tiny little dots all over the skin of your orange. And then on the top they have a little star. So just inside the circle, where we started the stem and the leaf on the apple, we're going to draw a little star. And all you need to do is some ziggy-zaggy pointy lines around in a circle like that. That's where the orange was attached to the tree. Now this won't really look like an orange until we colour it in orange. Make sure the little star is green. There's another fruit called a grapefruit, which really just looks like an orange, but it's much bigger. So you draw it in the same way, but you just make it a bit bigger. And it's usually a more of an orangey, yellowy sort of a colour like that. But it has the same green star where it was attached to the tree. So that's a grapefruit. Another kind of citrus fruit is a lemon, and it's more like the size of an apple or smaller. So let's do an oval shape, and on each end do a little semicircle. Draw some more dots, and colour it in yellow. There's another fruit that has a star on the top. It's a little bit smaller than an apple. It's a tomato. Draw another circle, one line that goes all the way around, and quite a big star on the top for this one. And starting in the middle of that star, draw a little tiny stem. You need to colour the star green and the stem green, and the tomato of course needs to be a nice bright red. Let's draw one more big round fruit. Let's draw a melon. So using your drawing pencil and the rest of the space on your page, draw one line that goes all the way around. Now this is going to be a watermelon. There are lots of different kinds of melon, but watermelons have stripes on them. So we're going to start at the top and draw a curvy line on this side, and a curvy line on this side, and another one on this side, and another one on this side, and one down the middle. That helps to make it look 3D. And then I'm going to make a pattern with dark green, light green, dark green, light green, dark green, light green. There. Maybe you could cut out your fruit drawings and put them in your own fruit bowl.